What up, Mula gang? It's your boy Mac Mula, aka Mr. Mula Mac. Y'all know I had to make the car channel when I got the Vetski. Fresh off the lot on Photo Gray. If y'all was tuned into my vlog channel, and I've been talking about it on my main channel too. This was a 2023 Corvette C8. Photo Gray. Had 8 miles when I pulled it off the lot. No cap. No cap. You feel what I'm saying? So, yeah, we gonna get a lot of POVs in on this channel. I had a GoPro set up right there, but that motherfucker was tweaking. I ain't know. I just bought that bitch like 5 minutes ago. I don't know what's going on, so I'm just gonna use the old-fashioned camera. You feel me? But yeah, we in Los Angeles. If y'all didn't know, for everybody that don't know me, I'm from Chicago. I am the biggest YouTuber from Chicago. You feel what I'm saying? I moved from Chicago to I can't even talk, folks. Excuse me. That's the thing. I went from Chicago to Atlanta, and Atlanta to LA. I just moved to LA in July. I have a Benz truck at home, GLE 43. And I also have this brand new puppy that I got literally yesterday. Well, not last night, but like yesterday afternoon. 2023 had 8 miles when I copped it. Corvette C8, brand new, fresh, new car smell. Y'all know I'm smoking good thoinks. We in California, and I got to give y'all the POV action on Front on Grade. Right now, we riding through West Hollywood. I had just went to Target to pick up my whatchamadig, but I'm finna get on the freeway and do some cutting up, man. We finna get right on the freeway. Brand new, brand new pretty much. I got this in like what, April or some May or some shit. Two-tone rolly date just. You feel what I'm saying? Rose gold, white, you feel what I'm saying? Ooh, y'all better stop playing with me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just real cool, real player vibes. I love this car though, bro. Like, I love this car. Like, and this is my second car, so I'm just happy that I could get a brand new one. And I'm not really going to be driving it like that. You know what I'm saying? This is not no everyday car at all. You feel me? I got a Benz truck for a reason first. And I got that bitch back in March. You know what I'm saying? So, I got that bitch for a reason first. That's more of an everyday ride around, handle your business car, player, luxury style. You feel me? Probably go on a date with your girl. And it's still an SUV, so I can fit my homies in there if I need to. And this is more of the 2-seater. You feel what I'm saying? Pop out. Fresh to death, you feeling good, got some money, you feel like you fast and furious. Oh, bro, great. You just want to go crazy, folks. Speaking of fast and furious, I hope y'all ready for these POVs, because I'm finna be cutting up. I don't know what nothing about these other niggas, folk, but boy, I come from a real race background, folk. Like, y'all don't even understand, folk. Like, this is what I do, shorty. This is what I've been waiting on my moment, man. I've been waiting on this moment my whole life, shorty, to get this fast ass car in Los Angeles. I really feel like I'm in Grand Theft Auto, you know what I'm saying? Rolling on, Palm Angels jacket, you get what I'm saying? Brown stack jeans, Dior's. I'm living the life, bro. You feel me? Red seatbelts. Engine is in the back, by the way, if you did not know that. And I actually need to put my seatbelt on. This is the one car that I'm putting my seatbelt on. Photo Gray. I'm putting the seatbelt on in this car right here. Yeah, we finna hop on the freeway coming up here soon. We riding through Hollywood right now. We literally passing Hollywood Boulevard right now for everybody that has never been to Los Angeles. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually kind of from LA a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I grew up in Cali when I was from about 2 years old to about 6-7 years old. I was born in Chicago, moved to Cali, and then moved back to Chicago when I was 6 going on 7. But yeah, we riding through Hollywood right now. It really does look exactly like GTA. They need to y'all need to go ahead and put a motherfucking GTA in Chicago, man. What the going on, folks? Motherfuckers tweaking. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, like, any place, like, folks, LA so raw, like, this the perfect place. That's why I ain't want to get no vet like no other city for real, because this is just the perfect place to ride this bitch. You feel me? Vibe out. The scenes is beautiful. On Phone Gray, you cannot go wrong with the scenery. The scenery, baby. Oh, bro, I'm just happy as hell I got this car. Camaro, Chevy Brothers. What's up, bro? Fuck is you saying? What's up, bro? Oh, bro, hills. Look at the hills, man. This shit beautiful. As they say in Memphis, this shit beautiful. This shit beautiful, man. This shit beautiful. Palm trees, sunny skies, folks. Even in the middle of October, like, it get a little nip at night. Nip at night. It get nip at night. I ain't gonna cap. But it ain't bad though. It ain't bad. It's like 60, 70 to me. That ain't really the worst shit in the world right now. Today it's gonna be like 84. You feel me? So is that a motherfucking ant on my window? Shorty, you lucky I don't know how to work these window wipers, folks. Is this it? It's on this side. Pussy ass nigga, get your ass off my shit, dude. Before I knock your goof ass out. Real deal. On my mama. On my mama. Y'all know I had the boost drink. You feel me? When you handling business, for everybody that don't know, I got like 6, 7 businesses, bro. So I don't be having the time to cook, eat, or wait for food. So this shit saved my life right here. And I got me a little thoink in here left. You feel me? But y'all know it's thoink up in here. Don't get it up or misconstrued, as my boy Tall Guy Car Reviews would say. But yeah, let's go ahead and roll this window down a little bit, and we gonna get on the freeway right now. I'm driving on my knees for a second. Oh, drive on my knees, drive on my knees. There we go. All right, I'm supposed to go to the right. This lane over here, as they say in Memphis. Woo! Go ahead, get your ass over, boy. Get your ass over, boy. Yeah, I gotta get off the damn. Hey, so how the f I'm supposed to do that? Easy. Like this. That's easy money with the Vesky. In the Vesky, that's nothing. In the Vesky, that is nothing. I'm trying to make sure I... Come on, folks. Let me get over, Slime. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Yeah, my name is Mako, bitch. I got a Corvette. Y'all better get the fuck out my way. Come on, Mr. Truck. Oh, Mr. Truck taking all day. Let me get between them, Mr. Truck. Mr. Truckski. Can I get over, Mr. Truckski? Go on. Let's get it. Almost missed my exit, boy. Shit. Roll them windows up. Turn that blinker off, man. Yeah, this shit fun as hell to do, boy. I got this bitch in Z mode. If y'all didn't know, y'all see that red Z turned on? I don't know if I told y'all or not. Oh, I should have stayed on the freeway. GPS sending me off. Oh, they gonna do me like that? GPS gonna send me off like that? That's a crazy. That's a crazy. I'm finna get back on that bitch. I ain't finna listen to this GPS, boy. Fuck. No, I'm not turning, boy. I'm finna go cut up for the game. Cut up with the squad, man. Y'all gonna come with me the whole way. Y'all lucky I ain't got my thoink. Gotta let y'all hit the thoink, folks. You feel me? If y'all don't know what the thoink is, for everybody that might not know me from my main channels and shit, it's I'm in love with Mary. She's the main thing. She let me feel it. My heart sing. Oh, for them. That's what that shit is, boy. Y'all better stop playing. Let me see. I need to adjust these mirrors a little more. And bring that shit down. Yeah, because that, man, I can see that shit. Yeah, that's way better. Right about right there. That's better. And this mirror, I need to adjust a little bit, too. To about right there. Alright, cool. And we good now. I can see, goddamn. Alright, cool. I be having to make sure because I ain't got no back window, so I gotta get used to driving with no back window. And I be thinking I seeing shit and shit. Hop back on this freeway though, man. Where this going? Universal Studios. Oh damn, I ain't never even been over here. Say left lane over here. Let me get on the left lane. I don't want to go to Universal Studios. We ain't going on no more dates. You talking about we ain't got nobody with us. We lonely. Nah, bullshit. Hey, folks, I'm just happy as hell. Like, I know I'm saying some goofy shit, but I'm just really happy as hell. Like, I'm in LA, bro. Look at this shit, bro. This shit like a dream come true, bro, from YouTube, bro. Like, I don't understand. I used to want to be a YouTuber for 10 years, bro. I've been doing this shit for 10, 11, damn near what? Really, I'm capping 14 years, slime, like for real. So Free slime, by the way. But yeah, like 14, 15 years, like I've been on YouTube trying to figure it out. You know what I'm saying? To do this right here, to just ride a fast car through fucking Los Angeles, man. And this shit is beautiful. It's just beautiful, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get a little, not emotional, but I'm gonna just say some real shit, bro. You feel me? I used to do everything, almost everything you could think of in the streets. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna say act like I was Pablo Escobar or like I was Lil Reese or none of them. You feel me? But I used to risk my life, you feel me, for a lot of less money than what I be getting now, and it's just beautiful, bro. It's just raw as hell, you know what I'm saying? This Corvette is fucking like, man, this shit is like crazy, bro. I've been always wanted this car, bro. Like always, bro. Like always, bro. And I made so many YouTube channels, like, I'm gonna start this one, this one, this one, this one. No, I ain't gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this. Learn how to edit so much shit. Learn about YouTube, the algorithm, pay for classes. This one didn't work, that didn't work. Did the videos and videos every day for 300-400 days and still had 200, 300 subscribers. You get what I'm saying? Like, man, y'all don't even know the half, bro. And so, like, now, to start my channel, Mula, and that bitch at what, 350K? Damn near? Man, you can't beat that shit, bro. You feel me? I got a lot of homies that passed, bro. A lot of homies that passed, bro. That ain't even see 24. And before I was 24, I had a crib across the street from the crypto arena. I got a Corvette and a Benz truck, a brand new Corvette. Benz truck of 2020, you know what I'm saying? And it's just crazy, man. We got to cut up to that. Let's get it. Let's get money, shorty. Let's get money. The end of the year ain't even over. You get what I'm saying? It's October. Woo! Y'all ass better buckle up. I swear, if you're hating, you need to learn how to hate some more, sir. Because it ain't finna get no better for you for the grade. Yeah. I'm in mode. Y'all lucky it's traffic, man. I was hoping, this the LA shit, though. This the LA shit. You can't escape this shit, boy. Woo, that shit's music to my ears. I don't need no music when I got this engine. All I gotta do is stop. There you go. Woo! That shit is beautiful. Sound like a motherfucking rock band. Oh, funny, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Trying to hold this camera right, goddammit. Traffic letting up a little bit. See if I can yank over there. Oh, yeah. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just having fun. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I think I want a GTR. Oh shit, what that was? What the hell beeping? Oh, cause I had my blinker on. Don't start beeping on me, goddammit. I don't know what all that beep shit mean. Beeping and shit. I ain't had this nothing but like 14 hours, nigga. I don't know what that beeping shit is. Don't start beeping, nigga. I'll beep your ass back to that damn dealership. Psych, this is my baby. She ain't going nowhere. I'm the first out of motherfucker. It's my shit. Yeah. Yes, sir. Skate. Double R. Skate, bro. Skate. Hold on, let me fix my camera. Drive on my knees real quick. There we go. Oh, I know where I'm at. Just because I know LA. I know it. Low-key know exactly where I'm at. Van Nuys exit up here. think we must be high in the hills. My ears popping and shit. I had a feeling that was coming. I think this bitch get like 0 to 60 in like under 2.7 seconds or some shit. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna say and act like I'm used to no shit like that, boy. You hear me? I don't know what the is going on around this bitch. Y'all ass tweaking. That shit'll send your ass up through there. I hope no po-po get behind me at nighttime, cause I'm gonna turn my lights off, put it in Z mode, and skirt off so fast. Fuck it you said. I ain't gonna lie, I seen a few vets lead the police. Stupid ass boy. In the words of DC Young Fly, stupid ass boy. Fucking goofy. If you lost it, it must be from Halsted, nigga. You done lost it, nigga. Y'all excuse me sniffing too. I'm a little under the weather. I'm a little congested, but we getting through it though. The show must go on. We must work till work can't go no more. You understand? I gotta get me some tea later. Open my, you know what I'm saying? And we just gonna have to do it like that. I see a Porsche behind me. What is that behind me? Can y'all see that? All the way back there. Y'all see that? I don't think y'all see that. Can y'all see that? What is that behind me, y'all? Y'all probably can't see it no more. Look like a Porsche. I think I hear some sirens and shit. Pretty sure we going like towards Santa Monica. That's probably why it's busting. It's gonna be it's a hot day. Yeah, that makes sense. Going towards Santa Monica. It's gonna be a hot day. Hey man, I hope y'all enjoyed this first video. I know I did. You know what I'm saying? I ain't get to cut up too much, but I just wanted to give y'all my first video, see if y'all rocking with the channel. Make sure y'all let me know if I talk too much, if I talk too little, if I show too much, if I show too little, you feel what I'm saying? Make sure y'all stay tuned for all type of car content. I'm gonna be going to car meets. I'm gonna be getting the car wrap. Oh, hey, don't do that, sir. Don't do that, Mr. Sersky. But yeah, I'm gonna be going to car meets. I'm gonna be wrapping my car, customizing the interior. I want to do that too. I'm gonna do quite a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna be driving my y'all just stay tuned, man. I got a lot of very, very, very unique content, stuff you've seen before in a better way, and stuff you never seen before too. You feel what I'm saying? So I love y'all. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Make sure y'all smash that thumbs up button. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and subscribe if you fuck with me. I appreciate y'all. I'm gone.